Hey everyone and welcome back to another tech tip. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add an email account in Mail on your iPhone or iPad. To add an email account to your iPhone or iPad, you have to go to Settings and scroll down until you see Password and Accounts. You have to tap on that, and there you'll see Add Account. Tap on that. To continue, select your email provider and enter your email address. And hit Next. Now type in your password. And hit Next. And now tap on Save. That's it. Do it on how to add an email account in your Mail on your iPhone or iPad. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.